A simple series magnetic circuit. A simple series magnetic circuit consists of a single core with a coil wound on the core which is having number of turns n. When we are passing a current I through this coil, a field is formed around the conductor, and the field formed around every conductor forms magnetic flux and it passes through the core. That magnetic flux is denoted by the letter phi and its unit is Weber. Composite series magnetic circuit. In a composite series magnetic circuit, magnetic cores having different permeability, different area of cross section and different lengths are connected in series. See, let area of cross section of this section is A1, this section is A2, this section is A3, and that of that vacuum or air gap is AG. Length is L1, L2, for this one L3, and air gap is LG. The permeability of this core is mu R1, this one is mu R2, mu R3, and that of air gap is mu 0. When a coil is wound which is having a number of turns N and we are passing a current I through the coil, a magnetic flux is developed which passes through the core. As these cores are connected in series, like the case of series electric circuit, the flux passing through the entire core will be the same. Series parallel magnetic circuit. This core is having this limb and this limb in parallel, which is connected in series to this limb. A magnetic circuit having two or more than two paths for magnetic flux to flow is called a parallel magnetic circuit. Here this limb is having an area of cross section of A1 and a length of L1, while this limb is having area of cross section A2 and length L2, while this path is having a length of L3, area of cross section A3. When a coil is wound on this limb which is having a number of turns N, and when we are passing a current through the coil, a flux is developed from there which passes through the entire core. Here in this core, the total flux developed is phi 1, which comes here and divides it into two depending upon the reluctance of these two paths. So flux passing through this path is phi 2 and this path is phi 3. So the flux coming from this path is in series with these two parallel paths. So this circuit can be called as a series parallel magnetic circuit.